Ready, start. Then we decide how to produce those things in India, full stop, in order to meet a particular variety of needs. We have now to put up a factory which will produce the goods that we need 5 years hence, full stop. Thus, planning is a much more complicated process than merely drawing up some schemes and fixing a system of priorities, full stop. Behind all this is another factor, finance, full stop. Finance is important but not so important as people think, full stop. What is really important is drawing up the physical needs of the people and then working to produce things which will fulfill such needs, full stop. If you are producing wealth, it does not matter very much if you have some deficit financing, because you are actually putting money back through goods and services, full stop. Therefore it does not matter how you manipulate your currency so long as your production is also keeping pace with it, full stop. Of course there is the fear of inflation, full stop. We must avoid it, full stop, but there is no such fear at present in India, full stop. Para on the other hand, there is deflation, full stop. Nevertheless we have to guard against inflation, full stop. We have to produce the equivalent of the money pumped in, full stop. Sometimes there is a gap between investment and production when inflation sets in, full stop. For example, let us say we put in 100 crores of rupees in a river valley scheme which takes 7 or 8 years to build, full stop. During the years it is being built, we get nothing out of it but expenditure, full stop. This can be balanced in cottage industries in which the gap in time is not large, full stop. The additional money that you have put in is not locked up for long, full stop. Therefore in planning we have to, because heavy industry, light industry, village industry and cottage industry, full stop. We want heavy industry because without it we can never really be an independent country, full stop. Light industry too has become essential for us, full stop. So has cottage industry, full stop. I am putting forward this argument not from the Gandhian ideal but because it is essential in order to balance heavy industry and to prevent the big gap between the pumping in of money and production, full stop. But production is not all, full stop. A man works and produces something because he expects others to consume what he produces, full stop. If there is no consumption, he stops production, full stop. Therefore whether it is a factory or a cottage unit, consumption of what is produced should be taken care of, full stop. Mass production inevitably involves mass consumption, which in turn involves many other factors, chiefly the purchasing power of the consumer, full stop. Therefore planning must take note of the need to provide more purchasing power to, full stop, overall.